Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I have another luxury video for you. Alright babes, so I'm starting out with a lip gloss. You want something that has a thick consistency, it's tacky, so that way your lip liner, lip glosses, matte, or what have you, has something to grasp on. That way your pigments will be able to pop more. So in the MAC chestnut and MAC chestnut color. So I like to stay in the sideline, but go up a little bit up here on the cutest one. Okay, so y'all, I know this part is probably tad bit, maybe a little bit long, but I wanted you guys to see in depth just how I line my lips instead of just kind of like cutting through the important parts to make the video a little shorter. I mean, this video is already short, but I really wanted you to see exactly how I line my lips, or at least kind of get a grasp, because I know that mirror is in the way. I'm working on it. I'm sorry. I'm just so used to using my big mirror. So I'm lining up the bottom of my lips right now. I like to overdraw that as well. I mean, I don't know. I just like it. I mean, it just makes it look really good when you smile. Makes it look really clean, crisp, and just professional. I also go a little bit on the bottom. My lips here. And when I smile, it looks like a full line. Yeah, again, I like crisp. I'm like really OCD when it comes down to my makeup. Like everything down to everything has to be perfect. We're gonna take a lip brush. So this step is really important. I mean, to me, I feel like it is. Using a lip brush really smooths everything out if you want that perfect ombre look and payoff. Perfect. And the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip, color Growing Pain. So after this step is the fun part. It's where we use the eyeshadow. This is like my favorite part of doing ombre lips. I mean, you could do the eyeshadow without the lip gloss. Okay, babe, so I had to do a voiceover for this one. This is actually one of my tricks. I use a shimmer eyeshadow to go in the center to give it more of a pop. Like it really just makes the color pop a lot more when you put a shimmer eyeshadow in the middle, especially when you put gloss. This can go without gloss or with gloss. So any shimmer eyeshadow that is either one tint darker, one tint lighter, it's gonna work. It's gonna look beautiful. It's gonna look fabulous. So if you guys want to know the trick, that is the trick of how I get my lips to pop and look phenomenal. I hope this video was very informative to you guys. I hope that it taught you some new tricks, some new tips to use. Thank you for watching.